So these are the Rudraksha tree. What is the bearing? A trimukhi of Rudraksha. Trimukhi. Okay. But these are Rudraksha, not the one that we get, or the one that we found in our state in Meghalaya. Where we are found, where we are getting the 1 mukhi, the 2 mukhi, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. But more than 7 mukhi, we never get, or we never found anymore in the Meghalaya state. In 1 to 7, we found here. So what is the 1 mukhi and the 7? What is the most and the powerful Rudraksha? What is the rare pieces of Rudraksha in the world also? Is the 1 and the 7. Okay. But the 1 mukhi, what is the most and the powerful Rudraksha than the other? What is the present by the Lord Shiva name? What is the one which is rare to get and the one which is very expensive is 1 mukhi. But still, a lot of people they like to buy, they like to purchase. If there's any price in among does matter. Whoever get to buy, whoever get to purchase the 1 mukhi means the best of luck, best of future. Lots of people can afford the 1 mukhi. But most of people need 1 mukhi Rudraksha.
How much is the cost of 1 mukhi?
Very expensive, sir.
How much?
That is like in Meghalaya state, below 1 lakh.
Below 1 lakh.
Yes. But also in Meghalaya we go, cross of a lakh. The 1 mukhi. The 1 mukhi Rudraksha means for those who get to buy to purchase means they're lucky. Because 1 mukhi is all in one. All in one means all the benefit in the other mukhi is including in the one faces of Rudraksha. What is the strong and the powerful one is the single mukhi. 2 mukhi is the part of Shiv and Parvati. 2 mukhi is between a love or relationship. Between a husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, it's all about the 2 mukhi Rudraksha. For a strong, happy life relationship, to be trusted, care, to be respect, to bring the happy of relationship, it's all about 2 mukhi. Some people, they don't have a girlfriend or boyfriend. Where they keep this 2 mukhi to find a good future partner. Or people already married, they don't have a child. Where they can use the 2 mukhi to having a good future child in their living also. 3. All about the Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. What is the health, well and safety? Most of the people with the 3 mukhi Rudraksha will keep in car, bike, scooty, wallet, purse, bag, carry bag, etc. It always protect a life of people from accident, from bad luck, bad evil spirit, bad diseases, bad people nightmare. It's all about 3 mukhi. So 3 mukhi which we are known till now it is a safety or a care of protection Rudraksha of the life of the people. 4 is only for students who are in school or college. For kids who are in school or college, all about 4 mukhi. Because the skill, knowledge, career, success, confidence, wisdom, future life, everything. It's all about the 4 phases. 5 is good for family, which we are known as the 5th element of the nature. It is always bring the happy of the family life. Most of the people will hold it where they keep it the 5 mukhi. 6, only elder will use it. Personal for other. It's not like husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, they can keep 1 for both of them. Even for 2 of them also, they need separately. 1 for each. Personal. It helps for career, for success, for future, for anger, for energy, for BP, for sugar, diabetes, heart problem, positivity, negativity, diseases, for everything. It's all including in the 6 mukhi Rudraksha for the personal use. 7 is about the Lakshmi Saraswati. Most of the 7 mukhi Rudraksha used to keep by the woman. Okay? Used to keep by the woman. And men always used to take only the blessing for the 4th. In 7 mukhi, if a man or woman want to use it, it's all about the fortune. It brings you the good fortune to your life. Earning money time to time. It's all about the 7 mukhi. And people who are trying to do a business in the living. Any business, might be big, might be small business, where the whole keep is the 7 mukhi. Or some people who are to own company. Own company at all, it's all about 7 mukhi Rudraksha. Okay, means that is all about. It bring is good for the life of people to be success, to be good in the future, everything like that. If you're having the 7 mukhi. Okay, and any one of you from here want to buy, want to purchase. But this is the last day. So you can get offer or discount. Next month or next year, just come again the peak season price. The peak season price of the single mukhi is cost 80,000 here. But if you buy this month, only 20,000. 7 mukhi Rudraksha cost around 20,000. But if you buy this month now, you can get 3,000. 2 to 6 original price cost 5,000 and 10,000. But if you buy now, you can get only 1,000 each only. And one if you want to buy, want to purchase, I'll show you outside. If you want, from 1 till 7. Or anyone of you want to touch this tree to take the blessing. So you can come and touch where we allow to take the blessing from the Rudraksha plant also. If you want, you can touch and take the blessing.
This one is for Trimukhi.
Trimukhi, sir, yes.
And